we have Xenomorph orbiter with EDDY probe, and this it will be my first print using EDDY probe in a very clever way. Let's see in action. This is my homing this is my print start actually, because I hit print. After hitting the bed, homes the printer, then is doing the QGL. After doing the QGL, we should heat up the nozzle at 150 degrees. We will clean the nozzle. Yes, we are heating up the nozzle at 150 degrees. We are cleaning the nozzle. After we are cleaning the nozzle, we are going in the middle of the bed and we are probing the bed with the nozzle. After probing the bed with the nozzle, we will adjust accordingly the Z offset and we will start print. This is the first attempt doing this. It may work or not. You will see if I will damage the build plate or not. But this is how we roll. We always try to improve everything related to 3D printing, and this involves also in testing and reporting issues and stuff like this. This script is made by one of our members, Vlad. I will link his work in the description below. So if you will see this video, this means that it's working. I'm very happy and pleased to see that now we can use the touch function also with BTT EDDY probe. We will tap the nozzle, the bed with the nozzle. Okay, now it's cleaning the nozzle, and now we should work. Now it's doing the bed mesh and heating to the printing temperature. It seems like I need to delete my old calibration footage for BTT EDDY, and I should make a new one. This is the purge that we are doing, and according to the purge, the offset is a little bit squished. Oops, I didn't. Yes, according to the purge, but I think we will see a great result. Sorry, I wasn't in focus because I was seeing myself. But I think that I need to clean the build plate first. According to the purge, I think we are a little bit we need to squish it a little bit more, but let's see. Actually, it's a little bit too squished. Yes, I need to increase it a little bit more. Well, guys, this is something very revolutionary. Thank you, Vlad, for making this awesome script. Yes, we need to adjust a little bit the Z offset the top adjust, you can adjust it to your liking. I will let this finish and I will post a picture with the final. I will adjust the Z offset and I will make another video. This is my first layer calibration model, and this is the first print. Let me clean up the... This is my first print using EDDY probe with the touch tap function. So I use the tap Z adjust command and I adjusted it with 0.020. Wow, look at this beautiful first layer using EDDY probe with the touch function. Thank you, Vlad, and thank you to this awesome community. And this is game changer. I was playing with the settings and I realized that this is an old build plate and it was scratched here. So I moved the tapping sequence here where it's clean and untouched, and with the original tapping sequence is very good calibrated, so I don't need to adjust. I was needing before to adjust because here I was printing a lot of PETG and the bed surface is not that great in that area, and here we don't need to make any adjustment, and this is still under development. Very soon it will be available for anyone. Now it's still under severe testing, but look at this first layer with the touching probe. So we don't need to calibrate for temperature anymore. You don't need to spend hours calibrating EDDY every time when you switch nozzles or tool heads or anything else. It will just touch the bed. Look at this. Okay. This is very good without any adjustment. Congratulations to Vlad. Thank you, and see you in the next one. My daughter is inspecting the first layer. Yeah, Baba. Is good the first layer or not? Yeah, good. I think this is the 6th or 7th time that I'm printing because I'm so amazed how beautiful it is. And please leave down in the comments. Let's request this to be on Clipper mainline, to request to BTT EDDY to merge with the work made by Vlad. So write down in the comments if you want to see this as a factory option from BTT EDDY. And here you have a clear look why I had to adjust, because here, because I was printing a lot, here is scratched, but here I was printing a lot. Now when I moved to this area, the print is perfect. Now after printing some samples and every one of them is perfect, almost perfect. Here it was a little bit squished, but the last 5 or 4 they were perfect. I can switch to my main build plate. I said that it will not be correct if I will not try to test this firmware to test it also with ABS. I load my favorite Polymaker Galaxy Black ABS. I hit up the chamber and I hit print. Is the same G-code, the same print, but for adapted for ABS. Now we are making the QGL. After the QGL, we are heating up the nozzle. You know the drill. I will pause now because I don't want to make it that long, and after cleaning, when it's making the tapping, I will come back. Now we are probing the bed with the nozzle. Everything went good. We made the bed mesh for that area. Now hitting the nozzle, I will stop and I will film when it's spinning. So I didn't make any adjustment. I just throw the ABS and hit. The only thing I made is I hit up the bed, the chamber. Let's see if it will make again an awesome first layer. It's a little bit too squish. It's not. It should be perfect. It's hard to see because it's black on black. Wow. Wow, guys. I am really blown away. Look at this first layer. And let me show you also the temperatures. Okay. Leave down in the comments here somewhere. No, this is not be a short. If you like this type of content, hit the like button. If you dislike it, you know what to do. And thank you for watching till the end. Hope that it's something that he was waiting as well for a long time. Wow. It's even better. I think because this is Polymaker filament and it's tuned accordingly. And let's see. Perfect. It's hot. Perfect. First layer. Using BTT EDDY with a touch function.